Data is so important in the energy sector. It is the foundation on which we make all of our decisions. If we don't have good data and we can't see that data and we can't reliably make informed decisions on it, frankly, it is near impossible to make change happen in buildings, in businesses, in the communities that they serve.
Most of our systems, they talked to each other overnight, so we had quite a bit of a discrepancy between the systems. But one of the things that we started to realise, especially as we want to do more data analysis and get more insight for our customers, is that we need better movement of the data.
We work quite extensively with companies in the energy industry. For Amber, I think the advantage was they didn't need to explain right from the start what's a meter, what's a register, what are MPANs. They knew that we were going to speak the same language as them, and when it comes to translating that into AWS, that's really D55's specialty.
We're on a journey to really help organisations move towards net zero. So being able to connect our systems and surface the data that provides our clients with the insights on how they best do that obviously helps Amber grow, but more importantly, it helps our clients move to net zero. So it is an intrinsically hugely important relationship.
Our historical data pipelines, they didn't really give us the agility we were looking for. So we're kind of shifting now, and with the expertise of D55 and all the learnings that we've had, build them into the new pipelines that we're building, which allows us to get a lot more insight on our data.
One of the things that the partnership gives us, what it really does for Amber and our customers, it reduces the cost of change and it ultimately reduces the speed of change. We always want to make sure we're ahead of the market, so the speed of change and the cost of change around our technology is instrumental to our success. There's a real opportunity with one of the ways that we produce one of our most important reports for clients. It's really quite clunky right now, but already within a matter of weeks, we've managed to transform that. That's because we're using cloud-based technologies. Our people are starting to see the difference very quickly. Our customers are going to notice the difference in the accuracy of the reports, and all that has happened within a couple of weeks.
If you want to take advantage of generative AI, you really must have your data in order. So being able to set up this data lake in a centralized way for Amber really empowers their data engineers to come in and produce the reports and explore the possibilities with AI.
When I was chatting to D55 originally, they completely broke things down into a way that I could understand. And I remember them in the boardroom showing me an image where they could say, we can make this happen. And the make it happen moment was phenomenal. It was this breakthrough in my mind that someone for the first time in my life explained, this is how data works.
We've moved to processing data as it arrives and making sure that it's available to the business when it's important and when it's needed. We've also moved away from doing everything all at once, and we're doing it incrementally as it comes, which means that you don't have to, reprocess the entire data set or anything like that.
So by working with D55, we're able to say, let's not do that anymore. That doesn't make any sense. And so we built a new structure, a new ecosystem that we were aiming for, a sort of operational design.
AWS really makes sense for that, moving that compute to a more cost-effective platform and also a platform that integrates well with other systems across Amber.
As I think about the future, I think the really enormously exciting thing is the possibilities in terms of the next level of innovation and the next paradigm shift. We don't even know what those are yet, but what we do know is that because of the journey we're on, we're going to be in a tremendously positive position to take advantage of that as that becomes kind of the new reality. So I think we're setting ourselves up for success by really undertaking this journey now.
We believe in the future that our customers will be able to get onto our system and they'll be able to make an energy project happen as easy as ordering an Uber. And for that to happen, we now need to deliver a bunch of succinct projects over a period of time that gradually allow us to do more with that data.
Amber have a really ambitious roadmap ahead of them. Together, Amber, D55 and AWS can deliver some really fantastic growth.